How much does YouTube actually pay for a video that got over 600,000 views? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. And I'm actually going to be shooting a series of videos of these videos right here. So this one today that we're going to talk about is this one, 629,000 views. I'm going to dig into the analytics so you can see exactly what that video has earned, how many subscribers it's gotten, and how many watch time hours it's received as well. We're going to do this one in this series, 465,000. We're going to do another one with 259,000 and another one for 235,000. And I might even do a few more. But what I want to illustrate here is that, yes, we can look at the views. We can see how much money YouTube paid us. But rather than just giving you that, I also want to explain how it can vary widely depending on a few factors. So this one I'm going to be sharing you today is from another channel that I built called Brand Creators. And it's in the e-commerce space where we talked about Amazon, we talked about Etsy. So it's more about like how to make money online. Live Video School, the one that you're watching this on right now, is, yes, a little bit about making money, but also about how to build a channel that can build an audience that can also possibly turn into a business for you or help you get more traffic in your business. So let's dig into it. So this one right here, like I said, let's do this in real time, just so you know there's no shenanigans. And here we are. I'm just going to go ahead and click on analytics, and then boom, there's all the numbers. So 629,300 views, 54,400 watch time hours, and then 15,800 subscribers, and then it's earned $8,819.19. And that's amazing. But here's what I would tell you, and I want to show you this inside this video, is if we go into the revenue, so if we go into revenue right here, you're going to see the breakdown. All right. And we'll actually select different dates here. So this way here, you can see what I'm talking about. But if we look at this, this gives a better picture as far as how much the video can earn, because it's going to vary. So if we look at this right now, everything is based off of 1,000 views. So it's what they call their RPM. So you can see here on the average from the time this has been uploaded to today, it's making about $14.01. All right. So about $14 for every 1,000 views. Now, here's the thing. And this is what I really, really want you to understand, that if you are thinking that you're going to get 1,000 views and you're going to make $14 per 1,000, it's probably not going to be accurate. There's so many different things that go into this. One of them being, what is the market that you are in? Are you in the niche, let's say bass fishing, or let's say that it's something random like knitting? It's probably not going to be as high. And the reason why is because advertisers are willing to pay to get in front of certain audiences. Because this channel is about how to build a business or how to make money through e-commerce, they're willing to pay a little bit more. And we can even drill deeper into this video, but let me just show you this real quick. I'm going to expand this to show more, and you can see this is all of the different earnings. So this was our best day, it looks like, and that was $76.53. This is another day here, right? But if we go ahead and adjust this, I can even go here to, let's do monthly. Let's just see what the monthly was. So this one here, this month was $1,000. This one was $1,100. This was $734. This one was $920. This one here was $869. And then, whoa, look at this right here. It dropped all the way to $154. And then here, $458, had a pretty good stretch here. And then now look at, it's just kind of, but this video is older. But here's what I want to say. This is great. And I'm demonstrating this for you, or showing you this to demonstrate that if you're just trying to get AdSense money, it is very risky, because things like this will happen, right? Yes, you could hit it out of the park, but it's not going to most likely last. That's why what we do inside of Live Video School is we are building a brand. Yes, we made over $11,000 on our newer channel, Live Video School, in the last 12 months, but we made over $100,000 from our products, our services, affiliate offers, things like that. So I would encourage you to really think outside the box if you're only focusing on AdSense. I've been doing this now for 17 plus years, and I've built multiple 6 and 7 figure brands doing this, and YouTube is just part of this whole thing. If you would like to get that roadmap, I actually put together a roadmap. It's called the 100K Playbook. If you'd like a copy of that and see exactly how we've been able to do it over the last 17 years in multiple niches, just go ahead and comment 100K and I'll send you that guide, that playbook. It's the one that we recently used for this channel that went to 6 figures already. Did it for the one before this, which we ran for about 12 years, 11 years, something like that. I lose track now. I'm older. I'm 53. And let's see, that one did over 7 figures. And then the one before that did multiple years of 6 figures following this same roadmap. So the other thing is, though, that I do want to say is getting a video to pop. Now, this I wouldn't classify as a viral video, but getting a video to pop can definitely earn you money. It can get you to monetization if you're not already there, because it can get you a lot of subscribers. So the one thing I would say is getting those subscribers, that's something that will stick with your channel. The money will be spent or it will be delivered and it won't continue. The subscribers you get to hold on to. So that's actually a good thing. And that is something I would encourage you to do, is get some videos that do get some traction, and that will build your audience. Now, like I said, this is going to be a series, and you should see a video pop up here that's going to be, well, related to this one, because I'm going to be doing more. I'm going to do the next one, and it'll be here so you can go ahead and check it out somewhere on the screen. Go ahead and watch that video next, and I'll see you there.